Hello, in front of me I've got Ddpai Mini One dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to install dedicated app for this camera and how to pair it with smartphone. Firstly, let's go to Play Store or iOS Store and search for Ddpai app. Install it. And now open the app. Agree while using the app, allow, and now power on your dashcam. Once the camera is on, let's go to Add new device, no screen dashcam, next, and follow the next steps. Connect with the camera Wi-Fi. Password is numbers from 1 to 0. Okay, once we connected, let's go back to app, tap next, connect. Select connection. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.